What are we doing today?
We are installing the steering wheel.
Are we now?
Yes, we are.
Okay, I think we need a 16. That's a 17. What if I don't need a 16? What if it's an 18? Oh my god, I will never know what size it is. Let's take it off. I'm taking that. Steering wheel time. First thing we need to do, since we're doing anything with electrical airbags, you for sure want to disconnect that battery unless you want to be sitting there working like pow! So let's go ahead and disconnect the battery. It's in here on the BMWs. They're usually in the trunk on the right side. We'll pull that out and it just slides. Ooh, crusty. Ooh. But it's down here and it's an 8mm. Normally in these cars, I guess we'll find out here, 10mm. Okay, kids, remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I still don't know that, and I'm 20.
That's why I always get ready for you. And then what you want to do, I just happen to have an orange blinking here, but cover it up, just let it sit on top. So now the car is completely disconnected. So the first thing you want to do is with the steering wheel, go ahead and pull it out as far as you can, get best access. Inside here, there's 2 holes on both sides. You gotta find a screwdriver, it's usually a flathead. You poke it in there, make sure it fits though. I'll be right back. So you put the screwdriver in there and you can feel it like it has a bounce and it detaches the airbag. So go ahead and hold that side and then you stick it in, girl. Stick it in. And after that, once you get that side, you get that side, and now your airbag is detached. So now it's pulled out, you look and you see all these snaps here, but it all leads to this one. The clip, you just get your finger on top of it, you squeeze and you pull out just like that. So the next thing we need are some Torx. I'll get the size for you, but there's a Torx there, Torx there, Torx there. And you also need to go ahead and get the big bolt, which looks like a size 16. Mama's wrong again. So you only need the bolt for the middle, which is a 5/8. And we'll go ahead and do that now. So just twist it off. Huh? I guess I wish I was locked. So that's loose. Now with these, do not pull it all the way off. Go ahead and do that, because if you pull it all the way off, and then you try to pull the steering wheel, sometimes they're really stuck and it'll just snap and you'll hit yourself with it. So let's just go ahead and break that one. That was way easier than normal. So now it's broke apart. Let's go ahead and undo that snap in there real quick. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and take that bolt off. Digga, 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 digga. Bahaha! That is how we quick release a BMW. Not. Let's go inside now. Hello, B. Look at my baby. Look. Woo! He likes the steering wheel too. All right, let's go ahead and take this inside and we'll go from there. So now we start the transfer over. You can see that we're replacing that with the M Performance carbon fiber from BMW. And then you got the Alcantara M4 GTS steering wheel. We're just gonna have to switch all the modules over. On top of that, we're upgrading the paddle shifters with the vintage AutoTecknic. I can barely say that. It's in here. It's the dry carbon fiber with a gloss coat, but they are really pretty and they're much bigger in size if you compare from the backs. So much bigger. But let's go ahead and get on that. First thing we need to do is start disconnecting all the wiring in this one. Look at it. Would you just look at it? That is such a beauty. Wow! We got a steering wheel. All right, so when you line the steering wheel up, there's a little line right there. It's hard to see, we got that, and inside here you have a line, and it's flattened. You have to make sure those line up just perfectly, and that will allow it to slide right on in. Would you just look at that? Lines up so well. So let's go ahead and do this, the main screw, which you're supposed to torque it to a certain spec, but how about this? Man strength. Not doing it the right way. She's looking at me like, oh God, Bailey, we're gonna die. I'll go ahead and tighten that sucker down. I'm gonna use my legs to hold it since it does not lock. And boom. All right, so now that's tight. Go ahead and plug in those 2 plugs before the airbag. Bam. And then grab your airbag. You know how it lines up. Go ahead and plug that in right there. And then just slide it in and it should pop on in. Hear that? Boom! We got a steering wheel! Alright, now let's get the battery hooked up. Let's go ahead and drive. Boba? Boba. You're getting boba. Alright. No speeding in private spots. Everything's working. That steering wheel is incredibly soft. It looks so good. Here, check this out. Such an upgrade.
I'm trying to chew these tapioca. Look how small they are. Tiny.
Alright guys, that's it for the rest of the day. I'll see you next time, and Donna, you finish it off.
Peace.